For decades, hunters believed the perfect rifle was heavy walnut, blued steel, and tradition. But ranch life changed. Today, predators move faster. Hog damage costs thousands overnight, and the rifle sitting behind a truck seat matters more than the one hanging above a fireplace. Because out on a real ranch, you don't get clean shots from a deer stand. You get dust, mud, fast-moving coyotes, multiple targets, and seconds to react. That's why a new generation of ranch rifles is replacing the old hunting guns people once swore by. From ultralight carbon precision rifles to military-grade AR platforms built to survive brutal conditions. These are the rifles redefining what practical firepower actually looks like in 2026. And some of the guns on this list, traditional hunters are going to absolutely hate them. Number 5. Ruger American Predator. For years, ranchers trusted long wooden hunting rifles with thin barrels and tiny internal magazines. And for slow deer hunts, they worked fine. But modern ranch work is different. Today, the rifle may spend more time bouncing inside a pickup truck than resting in a hunting blind. Shots happen fast, targets move, and sometimes you are firing from an ATV window at a coyote that appears for only 3 seconds. That is exactly why the Ruger American Predator became one of the most practical ranch rifles in America. Unlike traditional hunting rifles, the Predator comes factory-ready for real field work. You get a threaded, heavy taper barrel for suppressors and muzzle devices, detachable magazines for faster reloads, and a one-piece Picatinny rail that keeps optics locked in place even after thousands of rough miles on dirt roads. And the compact footprint matters more than most hunters realize. Long rifles with 24-inch barrels become awkward immediately inside vehicles or tight brush. The American Predator stays short, maneuverable, and fast. Exactly what ranchers need when problems appear without warning. But the biggest advantage is consistency. The heavier barrel handles heat far better than old, lightweight sporter rifles, meaning the rifle keeps its accuracy even during multiple follow-up shots on hogs or predators. This is not a beautiful grandfather's hunting rifle. It is a working rifle, built for dust, built for abuse, built for real ranch problems. Number 4. Bergara B14 HMR. This is the rifle that shocked a lot of traditional hunters. Because the Bergara B14 HMR was never designed to look elegant hanging above a fireplace. It was designed to hit hard, stay accurate, and keep performing when most lightweight hunting rifles start falling apart under pressure. The first thing you notice is the heavy barrel. And yes, some hunters immediately complain that it is too tactical or too heavy. But out on a ranch, that extra weight becomes a massive advantage. When you are dealing with groups of wild hogs or taking repeated shots across open fields, thin sporter barrels heat up incredibly fast and start losing precision almost immediately. The B14 HMR does the opposite. Its heavy contour barrel keeps the rifle stable and consistent shot after shot, while the mini chassis stock system creates the kind of precision that older woodstock hunting rifles simply cannot match. Then you add AICS magazines, adjustable cheek height, adjustable length of pull, and true sub-MOA performance right out of the box. At that point, this stops feeling like a traditional hunting rifle entirely. It starts feeling like a precision tool built for serious predator control. And honestly, this may be one of the best long-range ranch rifles for the money available today. But here's the real question. Does the Bergara B14 HMR actually deserve the number 4 spot on this list? Or should it rank even higher? Let me know down in the comments. Number 3. Daniel Defense DDM 4v7. This is where traditional hunters start getting uncomfortable. Because the DDM 4v7 is not a classic bolt-action hunting rifle. It is a hard-use fighting rifle that just happens to be incredibly effective on a ranch. And once ranchers started using rifles like this in the real world, many never went back. The biggest reason is speed. Predators do not stand still, waiting for perfect broadside shots. Hogs do not move one at a time. And when an entire sounder breaks from the tree line, a slow bolt action suddenly feels very outdated. That is exactly where the Daniel Defense DDM 4v7 dominates. Its cold, hammer-forged barrel is built for extreme durability and sustained fire, while the rifle-length reliability of the platform allows rapid follow-up shots without losing sight picture through the optic. And unlike older hunting rifles that struggle in dust, mud, and rough environments, the DDM 4v7 was built for abuse from the beginning. This rifle was engineered with military-grade standards in mind. That means better reliability, stronger components, and the ability to keep running even when conditions become brutal. The M-LOK rail system also transforms the rifle into a fully modular ranch platform. Thermal optics, night vision, weapon lights, bipods. Everything modern predator control demands can be mounted directly onto the rifle without sacrificing accuracy. And that changes everything after dark. Because modern ranch work is no longer about sitting quietly in a deer stand once a season. It is about rapid response, high-volume shooting, and eliminating threats before they destroy livestock or crops. And few rifles do that better than the DDM 4v7. Number 2. Christensen Arms Modern Precision Rifle. For decades, ranch hunters believed they had to choose between two things: a rifle that was lightweight or a rifle that was truly accurate. The Christensen Arms MPR proved that idea was completely outdated, because somehow this rifle delivers both. At first glance, the modern precision rifle almost looks futuristic compared to old-school hunting guns. Carbon fiber, folding chassis, precision-built ergonomics. This is not your grandfather's deer rifle. But once you actually carry it across a large property for an entire day, you immediately understand why so many modern ranchers are switching to rifles like this. The carbon fiber wrapped barrel gives the rifle the stiffness and precision of a heavy target barrel, without the exhausting weight traditional rifles usually carry. And that matters more than most people realize. Long patrols across open land destroy shooters physically. Heavy rifles create fatigue. Fatigue creates shaky shots, and shaky shots lead to wounded animals and missed opportunities. The MPR solves that problem beautifully. At around 7 pounds, it stays incredibly lightweight while still delivering true long-range precision performance. Then you add the folding carbon chassis system, and suddenly the rifle becomes even more practical for real ranch work. It folds compactly behind a truck seat, adjusts instantly for prone shooting or vehicle-supported positions, and maintains sub-MOA accuracy with factory ammunition straight out of the box. This rifle represents something bigger than just another hunting platform. It represents the future of precision ranch rifles. Lightweight, modular, portable, extremely accurate. And honestly, once you spend time behind a rifle like this, many traditional hunting rifles start feeling ancient almost immediately. Number 1. Barrett REC10. This is the rifle that proves modern ranch guns are no longer just hunting rifles. They are battle rifles for property defense. And nothing on this list represents that evolution better than the Barrett REC10. Most people hear the name Barrett and immediately think of massive .50 caliber rifles used by military snipers. But the REC10 brings that same philosophy into a lighter, faster, and far more practical platform for serious ranch work. This rifle was built for power, not lightweight varmint rounds, not casual range shooting, real stopping power. Because when you are dealing with massive hogs, predators across open land, or situations where one clean hit absolutely matters, the .308-based AR-10 platform changes everything. And the REC10 may be one of the most refined examples ever built. The rifle combines Barrett's military-grade durability with precision barrel manufacturing and a fully modern fighting rifle design. Every part feels engineered for hard use. Dust, mud, rain, heat, thousands of rounds. The REC10 was designed to survive conditions that would destroy many traditional hunting rifles over time. But the biggest advantage is confidence. The confidence to engage targets quickly. The confidence to take fast follow-up shots. And the confidence that the rifle will still perform perfectly when conditions become brutal. Unlike older bolt-action hunting rifles that force shooters to break position after every shot, the REC10 keeps the shooter locked into the optic and ready immediately for multiple targets. And on a real ranch, that matters. Because predators rarely appear one at a time anymore. The rifle also gives ranchers something traditional hunting rifles struggle to provide: true modularity. Suppressors, thermal optics, night vision, weapon lights, tripods. The REC10 adapts instantly to modern predator control in ways old rifles simply cannot. And honestly, this rifle feels less like sporting equipment and more like a professional-grade ranch defense system. That is why the Barrett REC10 takes the #1 spot on this list. But now comes the big question. Would you choose the Barrett REC10 over every other ranch rifle here? Or is there another gun that deserved the crown instead? So maybe the old hunting rifles were not replaced because they stopped working. Maybe they were replaced because ranch work itself changed. Today, speed matters, modularity matters, reliability matters. And the rifles dominating modern ranches are no longer built just for clean shots from a deer stand once a year. They are built for real-world problems. Predators, hogs, long patrols, harsh conditions, and non-stop use. From the rugged practicality of the Ruger American Predator to the elite precision of the Christensen Arms modern precision rifle, all the way to the battle-proven dominance of the Barrett REC7DI. These rifles represent the future of ranch firepower. But now we want to hear from you. Which rifle on this list would you trust the most on your property? And which one do you think was ranked completely wrong? Drop your opinions down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Alpha Gunreview for more brutal rifle rankings, hunting gear breakdowns, and real-world firearm content every single week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.